When starting a nursery, growing your plants is likely going to be the easy part. Actually selling your plants is a whole other story on its own. In this video, we are going to take a look at 5 tips to help you market your plants and your business. You can find all of this information in our ebook. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. We filmed some of the footage for this video at an open day for the nursery industry in Hartbeespoort, South Africa. The function was held at the showgrounds of a popular nursery called Three Bushketeers. These open days are a fantastic opportunity for nurseries to showcase the very best of what they produce. Fellow growers, along with members of the green industry, attend these events, making them an important form of advertising. This brings us to the first tip we have to offer. Join a national or regional nursery association or forum so you can take part in events such as this one. You can speak to other industry members or do a quick internet search to find any options for you. You may have to pay membership fees, so if you're just starting out, you may want to wait for your business to grow slightly before investing your hard-earned money. If you choose not to showcase your plants at events like this, then it may be worthwhile for you to attend even as a private visitor. Not only will you get a good idea of what your competitors are producing, but it can be a great networking opportunity for you. Chat to sales representatives to find out what plants are in demand, and you can also hand out business cards and start spreading your nursery's name. On the other hand, if you would like your nursery to be the main focus on open days like this, then invite local garden clubs and other industry members to spend the day at your nursery. You can offer free samples of plants or seeds, conduct tours around your nursery, offer one-day only specials, and even host workshops on plant propagation, care, and harvesting. You'll be surprised about how much interest is shown on days like this, and we have found people often come with money to spend. A grower should never keep their head in the sand with regards to what is happening in their industry. Keep an eye out for new varieties of popular plants, and try to fill a niche market before anyone else has the opportunity to. If you're a small business looking for a simple way to get your nursery's name out there, then check out local farmers markets. While many growers have chosen these markets as a way to sell their plants, you can still use this as an opportunity to advertise yourself. As these markets have become more saturated with plant sellers, you will need to find a way to stand out. This could be achieved through your quality, competitive pricing, or rare plants that not many growers sell. One of the most important factors that determines whether or not your plants sell is how you display and market them. Seedlings or larger plants that are in flower will sell far better compared to those without blooms. Your pots do not have to be the fanciest, but you should make sure your stock is neat and, most importantly, disease and pest free. If your plants are still young and not in flower, you may wish to include pictures of what the plant will look like when it is. Bright, attention-drawing tags are a great way to catch the customer's eye. Make sure your tags include the plant's name, a picture, and basic information regarding light, irrigation, and fertilizer requirements. If you're selling your plants on a larger scale, you don't need to label every single one, just a few here and there so people know what you are selling. Not only should customers know what you are selling, but they should know exactly who you are as well. Make sure your nursery's name is clearly legible on all your tags. Your contact details should also be readily available to anyone who needs them. As aforementioned, business cards can be useful, but also make sure you have your details, such as a website or contact number, on your plants or stalls so clients will have every opportunity to contact you. When it comes to actually selling your plants, consider providing a cashless transaction option. Fewer people are carrying cash with them, and there are many simple systems you can use for card and contactless transactions. One of the first things you should do as a new nursery is to get a website sorted. These days, any serious, profitable business will have its own website. You can create your own one for free using websites like Wix, but consider paying the extra fees to make sure you own your domain. You may also wish to use your website as an e-commerce store. This can be a useful way to reach a wider range of clients who are limited by traveling distance to your nursery. Of course, you will have to consider factors such as specialized shipping methods and optimizing your website so it can be found easily on Google and other search engines. And those are our tips on marketing your plants and your business. We hope you found this information helpful, and if that's the case, then check out the link to our ebook in the description. If you have any tips for us on how you have had success in selling your plants, then let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.